Welcome to 29 Cratetown Road in Clinton Township. This is a corner lot immediately next to Route 31 with two buildings. You can see Route 31 in the distance. Now we're headed to the main house. While it is a corner lot, it's not a perfect right angle in the corner. The lot is level. Down adjacent to 31, there is a drainage ditch. Lower porch. And entering the main home. Granite countertop, wood burning stove.
Hello?
This is the main living room. In some ways it's set up like a bi-level. It's the lower living space with another fireplace. There's several fireplaces in this home. Radiator heat. Wide pine wood floors. This is the main bathroom. Walk-in shower. And up to the top level. Bedroom. And now moving towards the master with its own fireplace. One consideration is how much insulation is in the home. And here is the carriage house or outbuilding. Great space in the back for a contractor, tools. Continuation of the large lot, Route 31 in the distance. This is the most eastern entry point. Perhaps you can consider this a little apartment. Wood burning fireplace. Ceiling height was slightly, maybe around 7 feet. Moving around to the end of the building. Continuation of the long, flat lot. Your neighbor in the distance with the solar panels. Now we've gone up the steps so we get another apartment. Little kitchen area, bathroom. We're going to go up the steps to the bedroom area. These bedrooms are basically lofts. This is in the front, the garage, some sort of blown insulation on the top. Now we're walking through the garage to the back staircase, up the staircase to a bedroom, which is behind the distant barn door. We're not going in there, that's currently occupied.